Hi, would you like to make an online multiplayer game using Unreal Engine? My name's Ben Tristan, one of Udemy's top instructors, and I've teamed up with...
Hi, I'm Sam, and I studied at the University of Cambridge. I studied computer science, and I'm also an experienced developer.
So Unreal is insanely powerful. However, if you've ever tried to make a multiplayer game with it, you'll find it pretty difficult to even get started. Lots of technical challenges to solve, not very good documentation. That's where we step in. We're going to take it step by step and make it very easy for you. But are you ready for the course?
So this course isn't for beginners, like a lot of our courses. It actually requires that you have experience making a couple of games with Unreal and C++. Now, that said, you don't have to be an expert at all by any means. Just a couple of games to know your way around the engine and know a little bit of C++ will be sufficient, and then you're ready. You can dive in and take this course.
And if that sounds like you, we're going to take you step by step through the entire process. Through the course, we're going to teach you the fundamentals of multiplayer gaming and how the whole gamut works, from state synchronization and lag and latency. All of that stuff will be in there. But we're going to build the syllabus through a series of projects. The first project is going to be a simple LAN game. We're going to use a LAN, local area network, via a VPN, virtual private network, so you can connect to somebody over the other side of the world, but without any of the complexities involved that you will see later. From there, what do we do, Sam?
Next up, we are going to be building a pretty looking UI like this that will help you in future multiplayer games to get your players connected, and you can give it to your grandma basically and she can play with you across the network. And then we're going to go and use services like Steam to allow us to very easily, again for your grandma, connect with each other and your friends over the network without having to use a VPN. And then we'll go on to the advanced topics of understanding state synchronization in Unreal.
Wonderful. So if you want a happy grandma and the ability to make online multiplayer games with Unreal, then please take this course now.